Hello, my name's Karen Lowry. I am a member of CRAG, which is a Cloddiadau range archaeology group, and we have been digging for the last 3 weeks on a plateau behind Moel Arthur. We are interested in the history, the archaeology of the plateau that's behind Moel Arthur. We're not on the hill fort, we're behind it. We want to know what's going on outside of the hill fort, basically the people and activities that have gone on in the past. And so far we've basically come up with finds that indicate that activity has been going on this plateau back here for the past 5,000 years to 7,000 years. We have been working very hard for the past 3 weeks on this site, and we'd like to share what we have found so far with you. Come and talk to us. We're quite welcome to engage in conversations about the dig. The Cloddiadau, which was the other open day. This is not a hill fort of excavation. It's outside the hill fort. It's totally different. Found varying objects like flints, which are not local to the area, so they've been brought up either from the coast or elsewhere. Something called a burnt mound, which a lot of people have a lot of theories about what it's for, but it's interesting because there's not many that have been found around here. Coming up with interesting finds like the stone tools that we've found so far in this area as well.
This coming Saturday, August the 12th, there's the opportunity for people to come and visit the excavations here on Moel Arthur. There's an open morning. Meet at the Moel Arthur car park at 10:30 in the morning. You'll be led up to the site and then shown around and explained what is going on, what they're finding, what they're digging up. It'll last till about 12:30. So if you want to find out more, come along then and hear it from the excavators up here on Moel Arthur.